Turn on my post notes so you won't miss when I post. Yo, yo.
Run going this far, right? Run, yeah, run! Wait, let me get out this side. I'm going now. Oh no, I'm talking about Polish.
You get Omega with our one thing out.
Finally made it to the workplace. What is good? Good morning, Team King. I'm feeling absolutely positively great this morning. I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling fucking good, bro. I don't know why. The sun is shining. I just feel good, man. I just feel good. So I want everybody, right? Before this vlog even go anywhere, turn on my post notifications right now.
Do it! Just do it!
Right now, because when I start dropping hit after hit after hit, y'all gonna be like, yo, I can't believe I was missing out on all this fire.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Turn on my post notifications. Subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on all my social media. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. My Snapchat is getting lit as fuck right now. But make sure you share my YouTube videos, guys. I want to say thank you for everybody that's been sticking around. I want to say thank you for everybody that's just been here from day one. Like, I just really appreciate it. Like, I love y'all. We continue to grow. Like, I can't wait to the day that I'm saying, like, oh, 100,000 of you guys. You feel me? Like, I just can't wait for that day. So, with that being said, I just wanted to give y'all some of the positive vibes that I have right now. And I want you to take whatever negative thought, I want you to push it out of your mind. Push it all the way out of your mind and start thinking more positive. Give all the positive energy, because when you give off positive energy, the positive energy you get back is going to feel so amazing. Like, I even think you guys understand. I'm trying to live this new life of positivity. No matter what you got going on, you have to remain positive at all costs, guys. Like, a lot of things will come out of it from being positive, and I'm really trying to become positive for just my personal reason and relationships with certain people and friendships. You cannot be a negative Nancy, because that's all you're going to attract is negative things in your life. I need a lot of positivity in my life right now because I want great things. This is going to be my summer. We're going to make this Team King summer. Like, this is our summer, guys. But I don't even have that much time. I actually have no time. It's 9:34. I'm about to eat my breakfast, boy. I got 2 donuts and a goddamn croissant. I haven't been to the gym in weeks. I need to go to the gym, but my muscles are still there, you feel me? Woo! Know your worth. Anyway, and then I got me a little drinky drink from Cinnabon. So I'm about to do this, watch some YouTube videos, and wait for my phone call. So you guys have a blessed day. Positive thoughts, positive thinking, and on the count of 3, we're going to inhale some type of what? All right. On the count of 3, we're going to inhale all types of positivity, and we're going to exhale all of the negativity. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Now I hope you guys are going to have a blessed day, peace, love, and happiness, and I'm going to see you guys later. King TV is so fucking lit, y'all. Team King, what's going on? Oh, Shanice's door is locked. I thought I was doing something by trying to go in her room, but the day is over. I told you I was gonna melt by the time I got wherever I got. Wataguan. Yes. She's. Thank God. Thank you. Yeah,
you can't get in my room. My door's locked.
Yeah, it's like, oh, Shanice locked her door.
Sorry.
Finally, after all these damn years.
I lock it whenever I feel like something wrong missing.
That's me talking shit.
Just a little bit.
That's why I tripped. I cannot wait to get out of these pants.
You have shorts with you?
No,
What? You don't know you should.
because I didn't think I was going to be here. How you doing? I was going straight to the
Billy, Nikki, Billy.
How you doing, Nikki?
How you doing? Oh,
So I'm going outside looking like a complete mess. Like, it gets hot, and I don't really care what I have on. So, it's usually some shorts, white beater, and all this other stuff. I was going to end the vlog at Shanice's house, but I didn't edit the vlog, and I'm going back out. So, I said to myself, take the camera, go say hello to Doe. Let Doe get his cameo. It's nice outside, so I'm gonna go take a little trip over there right quick, drink some beer, and chill. Then I'm gonna go home and relax. Just don't make no goddamn sense on how hot it is in here. Goddamn. I finally made it to Doe's and I'm sweating like a biatch. Alright, one more time. Alright, B. I'm here. Let me in. It smells like this nigga too. It smells like real nigga and weed. Real nigga and weed. Smells like in my nigga's over there. Yeah.
Y'all. Y'all.
He's a fucking fool, man. Over there getting high.
You needed that shit for my birthday, I was telling you. Now, what I'm saying is, call him, and you get his order from him, like he did on the shoot, and I'll just, you know what I'm saying, put the bread up or whatever like that, but I really want to leave it, I need to find something, too.
It's fucking hot as a bitch over here, man. Don't make no damn sense. Fuck is it so goddamn hot?
It's bigger than that. If you got that shit, it's a little.
It was in Costco and it was like $5 off coupon.
I was just about to come looking for you. Huh? Oh, Jalique is looking for you.
Me?
Yeah,
I totally forgot to clock out.
Yeah, she was like, she's still on my clock.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
Did he clock me out?
Did he? Nah, I don't know. Well, I just got off of work, guys, and I'm like really excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I didn't vlog all day. I'm chilling right now. I'm actually about to get high. I just heard something in the bushes. I don't like that. Shit is falling from the sky. I don't know what the fuck that is. Leaves is falling, but I hope you guys had a good day. I was waiting for Naomi back there. Wait till it focus on her, because it's too busy focusing on me. Take a minute to focus. There she goes. She was like waiting for me to get off of work so we can get high. Like, oh, everybody else is doing it.
Oh, I fucking love that. I need one.
What you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Record me having sex with it.
Oh my God. All right, yeah. So this is Naomi, okay?
Hey.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hey. We about to smoke and get high.
Where we at?
Right now. Right here. Look at my rainbow flowers. It's installed. I have to make sure this is my car.
Yep.
Has the solar shit.
Think time, bullshitting, and guess what? We're gonna get a drink. But there's this. What is this? What is this? A Rick and Morty truck? Do you guys? What is this? Cartoon Network? Cause I'm a Disney Channel type of girl. This is Cartoon Network right here. You can't even. We gotta go in front of it. The what? So what? Oh, I don't know what that is. I can't even see it. This is some shit my job always got going on. Cause we litty in the city. We litty in the city. You snapping, nigga. You guys see this shit? I gotta get in front of the truck. I was trying to let them get out the way. This thing. Why? You trying to snap it? You trying to get the stuff? You got it? I don't know.
Things is where employees we get to here.
Oh, where? How much?
Sure. Okay, XL. I've only got XL.
Oh, how much is that?
I think it was like 30 or something like
Are you
that.
guys all together?
Ooh, that shit fire. Yeah, that shit nice. I like that.
Hey. I want the United card, but I don't want to spend that much money.
Yeah, that t-shirt, wow.
Alright, what's your card back? Let's ask you to sign.
Oh, yeah. This is dope.
Yeah, we're gonna walk away with this stuff.
You're going to be so
I understand the excitement right now. Like,
Loving life, right? That's what it is.
like yo, look at that fucking line.
I think Matt deserves a free beer. Hey, he deserves a free beer.
The line goes, Lizuval, or whatever the fuck it is.
This line, this truck is OD.
And this is for the truck.
This is O fucking D.
This is for the truck, yo. This is for the fucking truck. Like, yo, I need to go home and Google this shit because I don't know what the hell's going on. The line's all the way back there. This is not That's So Raven or this is not Family Guy or no shit. I don't know what the fuck this is. Somebody needs to inform me. Los hype and shit. Threw his sweater on like it's not 73 degrees outside.
Yeah, like it is not 70.
He couldn't wait.
Pool toy?
It's a pool toy, so it's not a sex toy.
No,
Look, but the mouth is open, bro.
I really thought it was a sex toy. I thought.
What?
Just so no one can see.
No, I just came to see if there was anything that could stock.
Vlogging.
Oh, yeah, do your thing, bro.
Do you think, right?
I was wondering.
Road trip.
They got socks?
Yeah, we got socks.
You got more socks? Can I see them?
It's like drug transaction. You got socks. You got the shirts, man. You got the shirts. You got the shirts. You got the blow up dolls, bro. You got the dolls. You got the dolls. Ooh, look at the baby. Look at that.
These are only pairs of socks.
Look at that.
How much are they?
I think they're like $8.
$8?
Could be $10.
Look at that.
All right.
Ooh, look at that lids. Ooh. Ooh. The lens goals. Lens fucking goals. That line is making my eczema act up.
Let me guess, Jim Beam Sour.
Oh yeah. And then Naomi wants a lion's tail.
That'll be up to Aaron to make because I don't want to do it.
All that commotion, you know, my alcoholic ass had to. Yeah, they didn't even garnish this. Because I work here, hold on, let me tell my freaking followers this shit. Because I work here, I don't get treated like everybody else. Are you effing kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? The treatment that I'm getting here at this place, I cannot believe this. But I'm gonna drink this drink anyway because I know it's good as fuck. Hitting all up in the crevices here. You talking about it now?
Huh? Yeah, I'm talking shit.
Don't do it.
Don't be focused on my face.
Second one is Los Angeles plays itself on the 21st.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't.
River give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit. Bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Probably gonna put some slow music there. What is it doing for you?
Oh, y'all want to know movie? No.
Oh, damn. Are we saying something depressing?
Like,
no.
Aww. Suck them out on the clock. I was sorry.
Like, she's teaching me how to vlog. So what was you saying?
Like, okay, when she talks, you gotta catch it.
Yeah, because
She caught a whole. There was a whole moment she could have caught.
Yeah, I always do that. There's a lot of moments you guys don't get to see because I'm always just don't have the camera on. Like,
Okay.
I don't want my camera to die.
Those moments you need to pay attention to the most.
I know, right? I don't be knowing when I'm gonna say something funny.
Right there. Right there. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm too looking at it.
Yeah, just stop. What? Yeah, we'll meet you outside. It's gonna take us like 5 minutes.
Going to hell.
Yeah, you just hit
Hell, you going to hell too. You first class ticket, nigga. We going together on the bus.
Okay, so let me just do a couple of these. Up I go. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. And then, amen.
Amen.
Amen. Okay.
Favorite amen. Damn.
She's not trying to
Yo, did y'all hear that?
Oh, they heard me?
Yes, the red bees were recording. Like, yo.
That microphone is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because we're like up close.
Yeah.